I'm Melissa Galbraith, the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ. I specialize in nature-inspired hand embroidery. You can find me at MCreativeJ at MCreativeJ.com. And today I'm going through my project graveyard backlog stack of things that I'm really not sure what I want to do with, and they've been sitting in this pile for forever. So let's dig in and let me show you what I have. So first up is this bead embroidery. That's this fun like kind of moth here. I did this at Craftcation earlier this year and I like it. I'm just not really sure what I want to do with it now that it's done. Maybe I'll turn it into a patch, maybe not. That's kind of why it's just been sitting in this backlog graveyard pile. This year I have been filming and stitching a lot of different tutorials for my blog, and these are some of those samples here that I've kept because, you know, I think they could be used for something. I just don't know what that something is yet. So again, they have been sitting in this backlog pile of stitched things. On a similar note, these are all samples from my DIY embroidered shoe book. Along with the 15 different shoe patterns, I had about 50 different additional patterns in the back of the book that you could add stuff to. And these are all some of those patterns here, like all these cute little veggies, some more flowers. There were like some letters here. I did outer space, you know, all sorts of really good stuff, but I just don't really know what I'm going to do with all of these yet. You know, some cute little buggies here. So again, they've just been kind of hanging out in my project backlog, like, what do I do with this? And then when my hands get itchy, you know, like you want to have them doing something, but you're not really sure what that something is. I have been stitching so many ferns. All of these are ferns here. So like a lot of monochromes, some kind of like more green ones, literally like just so many ferns here. And for these, I didn't really have an end project. I was just like, you know, I want something to do, but I don't really have like a specific project for like a new kit or an idea in mind. And I just wanted to have my hands busy working on something. So I have all these really cool fern pieces. Not really sure what I want to do with them yet. So if you have any ideas, please drop them in the chat. Otherwise, that pile might just continue to grow. And then this project, I actually do really want to finish. I think it's super cool. I've been working on this kind of like tree stump, 3D bead, you know, sculptural embroidery here that has some like fun mushrooms, moss. Like, I'm really excited about this. I just haven't had an opportunity to kind of get back into it and really work on it. So it's just been hanging out in my project graveyard at the moment, being like, work on me, I'm so sad. So hopefully in some downtime I'll be able to kind of just play around with this, because it's really just like a doodle piece with a bunch of different like stitches, creating texture. Again, there's no real like end goal for this one. It's just to have fun. I won't be like turning it into a pattern or a kit or a book project or anything like that. It's just something I've been working on for myself. So this is my project graveyard. Tell me all about your backlog and what you have been working on. And please, if you have any ideas for some of these things that I have in here, drop them in the chat and I would really appreciate it. Thanks.